Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW X3 guys and you need to remove or replace serpentine belt tensioner. We'll cover everything guys from start to finish and what needs to be done. Now, before we start guys, there is something very important that you need to do when you replace the tensioner or you can mess things up really bad. So make sure you stay until the end. Doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, gasoline, diesel engine, the procedure for replacing serpentine belt tensioners is very similar guys. You need to identify where your tensioner is located, what needs to be done to remove it and replace it as well. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine that has been used in multiple BMWs such as 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 guys, even X1 and 1 Series BMW. Why we are making this video? Because many of you asked in the comment section below. And in addition guys, we make more than 200 videos on every single car we get at the shop. We do that because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing that free information. Let me show you what we have here. We have the front end taken completely apart guys because we'll be making quite a few videos for belt replacements and all that stuff. So now you will have your radiator here, you will have your radiator fan as well, but you don't need to remove any of that stuff guys. However, if you have the radiator fan, disconnect your car battery first because you will need to remove the serpentine belt. And if your fingers are there guys, what can happen actually if that fan turns on, it can take your fingers off. It can cause severe really bad damage to your fingers guys, even cut them off completely. So I would recommend to disconnect your car battery, number one. Number two, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative. For any of you that don't know that, okay, if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to your engine, computer and the electrical system, and we've done that in the past. So I will put a link to a video that explains how to properly disconnect car battery on newer car guys, so make sure you check it out and it matters how you reconnect it. Then you need to find your serpentine belt. This is your serpentine belt. You will have guys different accessories such as alternator, maybe power steering pump, AC compressor. This is your crankshaft pulley. If you have an empty pulley like that, this is called an idle pulley or idler pulley guys. You may have one or two of those depending on the engine. Then this is your tensioner. It looks like that. It has a pulley on it and it has an arm that extends and it can move left and right. Usually you will have a place where you can install a tool. In our case we go clockwise, remove the belt and you can see the tensioner is released now. Next, you need to remove that bolt in the middle. Most of the times that bolt will be looking something like this one. It will be a reverse Torx bolt and it will be aluminum bolt that you need to replace every single time guys. In our case, somebody installed not aluminum bolt, regular bolt, and that can actually severely damage your engine. So don't do that guys because that can be catastrophic guys for your car. So don't do it. Now we'll go ahead, pull it out, and this is your tensioner, this is your bolt, put new bolt, new tensioner. This is the spring on the back side that actually puts tension on the belt. So that's what it looks like. And that pulley, okay, they usually develop plays, they break sometimes as well. So just go with the whole kit. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.